Gulfstream 150 is a compact, portable fiber blower that's perfect for enterprise and last-mile fiber installation. It makes use of compressed air and a precision roller drive that protects fine microfiber while maximizing speed and control. To help us get started, I've asked one of our engineers, Mike, to walk us through the different components that make up your new blowing system.
Thank you, Jason. The Gulfstream 150 comes with everything you need to get up and running with your cable installation. Here we've got our Gulfstream 150 user guide and DVD manual. This is the Gulfstream 150 blowing unit. Next we have our batteries, 2 rechargeable batteries and battery clip. This is the power cable that'll connect that battery clip to your Gulfstream 150. We include the charger to charge your batteries. And here is our seal kit, which includes all the seals for your range of cable and your installation. And our duct pack kit, which includes all the duct packs for your range of duct. All this fits in our foam-filled durable carrying case. And we also include this handy tripod for installation convenience. Everything you need to get your cable installed.